What is going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another great 350Z video, and today we're just going to talk about some of the trends that the 350Z has. From getting boosted, having a single turbo kit, mid-mount turbo kit, and some of the most beautiful things have came out for the 350Z. However, there has been some quite cringe, ugly, disgusting, nasty ass shit that we've seen on these Zs that just gotta go. And so for today's topic, we're gonna be talking about 350Z trends we're completely over in 2025. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get it started. Start this video off plain and simple. Let's start off with the exterior mods on the 350Z. There have been plenty of outdated exterior mods such as oversized wings, which are way less desirable now, that look crazy, that do not help handling, or sometimes in most cases makes handling worse. Starting with one of the worst spoilers or wings on the market is the chassis mounted wing for the 350Z. In my honest opinion, it looks very heavy, does not look like it's very aerodynamic, and in most cases cuts into the rear bumper with an ugly notchy cuts, making it look really tacky and really disgusting. A second exterior mod that is really outdated and just needs to get out of here and leave 2025 is aggressive body kits on the 350Z. They can really detract from the car's classic lines, impact resale value, and it just makes the car look very unrealistic. The car looks like it just pretty much doesn't go anywhere. It looks like a rendered edit that stays in one place, pretty much a garage queen. And it really takes away the beauty and the effects of driving a 350Z in its natural habitat. My biggest gripes on the 350Z when it comes to exterior mods is definitely going to be poorly executed paint jobs. It's very important that you get professional work so you can avoid having cheap looking paint. And trust me, there is a million painters that are out here robbing some of us, or us robbing ourselves, putting on these cheap paint that just does not look well on this car.
You're not gonna make me read old magazines, are you?
You have the sickest mods and the cleanest wheels, but if your paint job looks like a Rush DIY nightmare, your car's gonna look completely ruined. It's even gonna give a face a mother could never love. Custom interiors can make your car stand out, but when bad ideas meet poor execution, it's pretty much a recipe for disaster. So let's go ahead and talk about our next sector, which is interior mods that can turn dreams into absolute nightmares. In 2025, let's be serious. Let's be very for real. Let's get rid of these aftermarket steering wheels. These quick release steering wheels that are extremely long in base and way too far out of reach make it very hard to use your car's interior and other functioning button controls like window wipers, turn signals, turning on and off your lights, and they just overall just feel very uncomfortable to use. Along with that, a lot of them are made with a lot of cheap cast iron, and in case of an accident, if you're holding onto that steering wheel for dear life, it's going to steer you or fold you. Next up are the blinding headlights that might light up the road like a concert stage, but here's the catch. They're not just dazzling other drivers, they're dazzling your chances of avoiding a ticket and actually seeing at night. These headlights have downsides of glare, making it very difficult to see at night and just causing you to just have potential legal issues with the police. And everyone knows if you're already in a straight pipe Z, that's not good business. Brighter isn't always better. Next up is performance trends to completely avoid. Now I know everyone wants their 350Z to be automatically boosted, being the fastest DQ in the world at all times. But guys, let's just take a minute, slow it down, and let's just talk about the benefits and the gains, and the things that we should and should not do. So sure, that cheap turbo kit might look like a steal, but spoiler alert, it's more of a ticking time bomb. We all know this. And low quality parts mean you'll spend more time under the hood, and not in the cool, check out my build way, than you will on the road. This one, and this one right here. Excessive lowering kits. Stop it. Get some help. Let's just go ahead and throw this away forever for any build, period. Not even just 350Zs. The impact on ride quality, suspension damage, and potential for bottoming out is so lame. Let's just throw that out the window. Sparking up and barbecuing your entire subframe don't make no sense. Why get mad? And another performance trend that needs to disappear in 2025 is pretty much weight reduction. Unnecessary. Sure, stripping out your car for weight reduction sounds cool and all until you realize you're removing everything but the steering wheel. But congrats, you saved about 20 pounds. Your car's louder, sounds like dog shit inside, and now your girl fell out the window going from 20 to 15 on your brakes. What you gonna tell her mom? But alas, not all trends are all cringeworthy. While some mods should stay in the past, there are plenty of modern upgrades that can take your build to the next level, and quite easily. So let's check out some of these trends that are actually worth your time and your money. For one, we have wheels and tire upgrades. Let's go ahead and focus on the quality, style, and performance matching the car's character. Simple suspension upgrades, enhancement of handling and ride quality, preserving the car's character. And of course, we have engine tuning for reliability. Focus on some tasteful power gains while you're at it to save money, maintaining reliability and longevity. In the world of car culture, trends come and go, and not every mod or upgrade stands the test of time. From outdated fads to poorly executed ideas, it's pretty clear that what works for one car might not work for another. But at the end of the day, it's all about finding that balance between style, function, and individuality. Embrace the trends that make sense for your build, skip the ones that don't, and most importantly, please enjoy that process. Because no matter what's in or out, car culture is about passion and creativity. So make it yours. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave that like and subscribe, and join me in the next one. I'll see you later. Peace.